We are really in the middle of the natural environment, really natural. This is something like that. So natural.
We just finished lunch. Elise and I are in our rooms. This is room tour. There's like a bunch of netting, and we have like a big net for over our beds. It's my bed. It's a mirror. There's Elise unpacking, and yeah, it's cool. They're really thin walls. There's a bathroom. Yeah, we have electricity from 6 to 9 every night, and yeah, we have a walk at 3. It's like, what time is it? SLS. It's 1:47 right now. So yeah, I'm gonna unpack a little bit, and then we're gonna go by the hammock area. That little one is so small. I just fed a monkey.
Mono, ven. Touched my hand. I'm gonna jump you.
Yo!
There's an insect pod underneath.
Yeah, this one here, you see?
Yeah.
No leaves.
Yeah.
This one was made used by the leaf carrot ant. You can see them used by the National Geographic and videos.
Yeah.
Yeah, they carry on the leaves, pieces of leaf, underground, like 6 feet down. And one of the leaves around here, see, we have a nest. That underneath.
Oh yeah.
Underneath.
Yeah.
But that one is the paper wasp.
Oh my god.
Fueran.
That's a paper wasp, you know, they bite. We have to make a small group, okay?
Yes.
Watch your head with a branch. Don't go. Try to see up. Many vines, look. You see?
Oh, that is so cool.
Tarzan. This normally the vines or lianas, they grow up around the trees and then they go up. Why do they go up? Because they're looking for light. But this one here is parasite. Listen to me. Look, in that branch is the base. You see? Who wants to go up? Yeah. Tarzan?
Austin.
Or Jane?
Jane.
Gato?
Oh, gato. I just realized how much of idiots we were because we all thought that he was talking about the cat that's named Jane that lives at the lodge that we stayed at, not the character from Tarzan.
La casa de Tarzan. Many vines, many lianas. Let me tell you, in one, listen up, according to the people which they came to study, in 1 square hectare of land, we have 113 species of vine, lianas.
That's so cool.
113 species. Some of them medicinal. And the rest just decoration for the jungle. In the jungle, we have different kind of mushrooms.
In the jungle, we have different kind of mushrooms.
Or champiñones. Or hongos en español. This one is a nice decoration, decoration. But we have some of them poison, toxic, and decoration, and only 2 species edible. Only 2. And then in this family, we have one of them. From here is this high. White stick, on top is exactly like a Chinese umbrella. But that one is the magic mushroom, hallucinogenic. I know them. Some backpack guys, when they come to the jungle, they say, "Hey, señor." "Yes, sir. Can you help me?" "Why not? ¿Por qué no?" "What do you need? What do you want?" They say, "I need or I want the magic mushroom." The question is why? They say, "I like to eat." Or some of them they say, "I like to smoke." It's stronger than the marijuana. Not this one, the magic mushroom.
I know what I'm supposed to say.
I know the place, but I never show them. Never. No, because it's very dangerous. Es muy peligroso. Sí.
Ooh, we're in a boat.
Poor boy.
We move in. I should really put this away.
Women with the red clothes, shirt, but the red, this. You don't want to make it cool
I got a good.
natural.
So us.
Yeah, Becky.
Practice at home.
Hazlo. Hazlo bien.
Austin puedes. Oh, yeah. Oh,
Oh, yeah. Yeah, Becky. Look at it. My arrow.
Just so sure.
You got this, Elise. Woo!
Were you filming that?
Wow! Right in the neck.
Y siguiente, ¿dónde le pone? A ver, alguien, ¿quién quiere hacerlo?
Puedo.
Allá.
Dude, you want a picture?
Make sure I don't get in your way.
Está bien. No, you're good. Don't worry about it.
When the really stole, you know. So, yeah,
Come on, more dirt, more dirt.
Okay.
Es venenoso.
sí, de todo. Eso para capturar sus presas, su alimento, su comida. Pero imagínate, para mí es muy impresionante porque hacer esto, trabajar todo esto. Sus dedos. Es una pintura natural.
This is the coolest mushroom I have ever seen, and it sparked inside of me a crazy obsession with mushrooms for the rest of the time that I was in the jungle. So prepare yourself for the next video.
Así como es.